Okay peeps, yes, it's your boy Busy with Science and I'm back again just to let you know I bought a new drum machine. Well, it's not new, it's old. This drum machine is an Alesis HR-16. Now for those of you who don't know anything about drum machines, and I'm sure you do, but back in the day we used to use these a lot. These are kind of before the MPC, I guess, although I don't quote me on it, but I do know that the MPC wasn't, I wasn't aware of the MPC back in my day. But as you can see here, this has got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 pads. Plays drum sounds. You've got various rhythms you can do on here. You can pitch your drums up and down. I'm not sure if you can record the drums and pitch them, etc. But I do remember back in the day, my man Lenny D-Ice used to be wicked on these drum machines. Anything you didn't understand on the drum machine, just put him on it. He used to mess about with it. There used to be this shop called Holiday Music on Leytonstone High Road, and they were a bit funky about letting the mans them play on their stuff, man. But you know, we still used to manage to go in there and have a little doodle and mess around with, and sort of fantasize about certain drum machines, etc. But this is the Alesis HR-16. It was very popular. I used a lot of these in my early, I use this a lot in my early songs, and the reason why I got it is because when I go to load some of the Amiga songs that I'm working on, what I was finding is that there were some drum kits that were sort of reference to drum kits on Octamed. This is not loading at the moment. Yeah, there we go. Which were in the kind of like MIDI channels and certain tracks. So the idea for me is to have this MIDI'd out, and I'm gonna just go through my iRig and then into my Akai's, through this Akai into here, through that into the other one, and then into the MIDI in on my drum machine, which means I'll be able to trigger this and hopefully get some lost percussion from some of my songs. So with that being said, I'm just going to give you guys a quick little demo of how I used to use the drum machine back in the day. Put the display on. Here we go. So guys, what you just saw there was me literally using the HR-16 after so many years. I didn't really have a clue. I was just jamming live from what I could remember. I haven't touched this machine in about 20 years, excuse the maths, but round about that. And yeah, just getting a little vibe from what I remember. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you want to see more videos like this, please smash that like button so I know what you guys like and what you don't like. Take care. God bless. Peace.
I'm a everyday junglist.